So we've come to a point in the year where we begin to reflect on 2025. First of all, I really want to pay a great gratitude to our customers and partners for all their support and contribution to ZeroNorth in 2025. This of course goes in hand with my gratitude and appreciation to all the people that is working in ZeroNorth. So thank you. So secondly, when I look at 2025, I really just want to step out for a second and look at the software maritime industry. Where are we today and where is it that we are going? One of the revolutionary things that we've seen this year, of course, is a change around generative AI or AI in general. ZeroNorth is around an AI first, and it's always been that, but in a predictive AI. Now what we're seeing is an agentic AI, where you're using the AI functions more in the way you collaborate with the software itself. It's been a year of learning, as I'm sure it has been for many of our customers. Internally and externally. Internally meaning the way that we code software, the way that we are testing our software, the way that every employee is actually working day to day, where Google Gemini have become like a natural work tool for everyone. But it's also been the year where we have dipped our toes into the first customer-facing generative AI solutions. Here we launched in August our hull filing agent. It's an AI agent really looking at your vessel and giving you notice if you're supposed to do a hull cleaning, but more than that, it gives you all the background and build the business case. Not revolutionary work because it's already been done, but it would take days to get that work done. It's now done within a matter of minutes. With this, we're now beginning to look ahead. What will come? And there, it's very clear for us that the data foundation that you're building any AI solution on is your foundation. When I started ZeroNorth, one core value was we will reuse all the data that is already coming from the industry. Unfortunately, what we have seen is a lot of the data that we're getting is not of a very high quality. So what we also did in 2025 is really go in now and saying we want to own the data quality. So we have embedded and invested into our vessel a reporting agent, which has really taken a 60% increase of the data quality when we are seeing the data coming in. It's an end-to-end service owning the data quality because it's a foundation. But it's not just that data that the platform is now built on. What, and maybe overlooked, is actually all the data that the platform itself are generating. So we have over 6,000 vessels on the platform where we are now, when we are in a position where we're generating millions of different voice optimization with the vessels. The data itself of how is the vessels complying, what's the feedback, all of that is compound up into data that can be used as well to saying, how do we use this to get an even better adoption rate from the vessels? And that brings me to a third point this year that has really been a remarkable change for us. When we started, it was very much around the shore people. It was very much around the operator. It was very much about the superintendent, the bunker buyer, that we really wanted to empower them. But what we've seen this year is a shift to push the solutions to the vessels and empower the vessels. That, of course, again, comes with another technology booster that we are seeing with more connectivity on the vessels. And this is really what we want to succeed on, continuing to bridge the gap between the different players across the value chain, but equally between vessel and shore, empowering those that can actually influence the decisions and ensure that vessels are traveling the seas in a more efficient way and thereby making more money for everyone across the value chain. So I'm really excited around how far we've come. It's not been an easy year because the transition is coming very fast. It's been somehow a year where we have brought the things that we have acquired. We've acquired 6 companies, brought that together into one unity. Doesn't come without pain. But it's pain that we have went through and we are ready now for the future. But what does the future hold in these uncertain times? For me, the future holds solutions where maybe not even click into a solution anymore, but where you talk to your solution, you talk to your data. Imagine in 2030, you are on your way to work and you are calling up your vessel in a Teams meeting and you're having a dialogue with your avatar, asking the vessel how you're doing. The vessel will answer you It will tell you saying, hey, I did this during the night. I think I should have an updated speed. Do you want me to execute? Or I need to take bunkers. Where should I take bunkers? But it's a conversation. It will be a conversation between you and the vessel. That's not unimaginable. I think that actually is where we're going. So I get very excited. I don't know if that's where you're going, but I get very excited around that future. But we have to remember we're building software to enhance the performance of the people within the industry. This industry doesn't work without the dedicated workforce, without the people that knows about shipping. And shipping is still shipping. So with this, I look into the new year very excited. I looked into continuing partnering our customers. And I really want to greet and thank you all again for your support and wish you a fantastic holiday season and a happy new year. Thank you.